This is a bread factory so big, it feeds an entire city every single day. Inside here, the bread never stops moving, not for 1 second. Right now, you're looking at thousands of loaves being made at once. Every loaf you see will be eaten within hours. And if one machine fails, everything shuts down instantly. This factory produces over 1 million loaves of bread every day. Every loaf starts with flour, but on an insane scale. This factory stores enough flour to bake bread for weeks. Every gram is measured with extreme precision. Too much flour, and the bread is ruined. Too little, and the dough collapses. Pure water flows directly into the mixing system. The recipe is controlled digitally, second by second. Once ingredients combine, there's no turning back. These industrial mixers are stronger than truck engines. They fold massive amounts of dough nonstop. Every mixer runs in perfect synchronization. The dough has to reach the exact texture. Sensors monitor heat, moisture, and elasticity in real time. One wrong number, and thousands of loaves are wasted. When mixing is complete, the dough is perfectly smooth. And now, it moves forward automatically. This is where time becomes everything. The dough slowly expands as yeast activates. These rooms are climate-controlled down to the degree. Tiny air bubbles form inside every loaf. This is what makes bread soft and fluffy. Too fast, and the bread is dense. Too slow, and it collapses. When fermentation is perfect, the dough moves on. Now the dough is divided with extreme precision. Every portion becomes exactly one loaf. Machines shape thousands of loaves per minute. Each loaf must be identical in size and weight. Even small shape errors get rejected. The loaves are aligned perfectly for baking. At this point, everything moves at insane speed. Next stop, the oven. This oven is longer than a football field. Bread enters raw and exits fully baked. Heat circulates evenly around every loaf. This is where flavor and crust are created. The surface cracks form naturally as it bakes. Thousands of loaves bake at the same time. Steam bursts out as the bread exits the oven. This is the exact moment bread becomes bread. Every loaf is checked instantly. Only perfect bread moves forward. Fresh bread is too hot to package. So it slowly cools on massive conveyor systems. Air flows evenly around every loaf. Cooling prevents moisture buildup. This step keeps the bread fresh longer. Once cooled, it's ready to be sliced. High-speed blades slice bread in milliseconds. Each slice must be perfectly even. Soft interiors stay completely intact. The bread moves straight into packaging. Wrapping happens faster than you can blink. Robotic arms stack bread nonstop. Cameras inspect every single package. Any defect gets removed instantly. Thousands of loaves pass every minute. This floor never slows down.
I'll adjust the calibration now.
Bread is palletized automatically. And sent straight to shipping. These pallets are loaded directly into trucks.
Bring it in slow. We got room for 2 more pallets.
Each truck carries bread for thousands of people. Trucks leave the factory before sunrise. Within hours, this bread reaches the city. From factory to store in record time. Fresh bread arrives the same day it's baked. Millions of people eat this bread daily. And most never think about how it's made. This is how one factory feeds the world every day.